Hey, I'm Dr. Darcy Stotts, and I wanted to share with you an experience I recently had at Rob Moore's office. I'm from Texas. I'm a chiropractor. I have suffered from headaches and neck pain for over 8 years. And being a chiropractor, I had so many options. I've had all kinds of different treatments, all kinds of different approaches to help me get over this. And some of them may have helped for a day or two, but nothing really helped long term. Dr. Moore has helped me long term more than anything or anybody has ever done. He has the greatest customized approach I've ever experienced. And he is such a great doctor, and he's so smart. He absolutely started taking care of me, absolutely started seeing results very quickly. And I was so excited, and I thought, well, surely that can't be right. I've tried everything under the sun. And it is true, it did help me, and it has continued to help me. My neck and head has gone to something that was an 8 or a 9 all the time, and definitely every morning to 0, no pain at all. And so my function has been better, my production has been better. I know I'm going to be a better contributor to my family and to my work. I have more than one business. I have a lot on my plate. And so this changed my energy, it changed my function, it changed everything. And so I highly recommend Dr. Moore. He's fantastic. He's a great doctor, a great diagnostician, and really an incredible person to be able to stick with it, figure out my diagnosis, and then correct it. So I highly recommend his work and his office.